We're going to figure out how to write and test a Python program. It's very common to start off with saying hello world in any program, so that's what we're going to figure out how to do. I'm going to be showing you how to use Visual Studio Code to write these programs. And if you would prefer to use another environment, that's totally fine. I actually normally write my code using the Vim editor, but here I thought it might be useful to show you how to use what's called an integrated development environment to create one. So here I am. I've on my computer, I've checked out the local version of the repository from GitHub, and I have all the example programs here. And the first thing I need to do is to go into the the O1 hello directory to create my new program. And this is because there is a test program that is going to be looking for a hello.py program in this directory. So that's the dot means the current working directory, and then the slash is how we separate directories from each other. And so here I need to create a hello.py program in this directory. I can do that in Visual Studio Code by clicking this button, and it wants to know the name of my program, and I say hello.py, and I say enter. And now I've created a new file. Here in the terminal, I can go into the hello directory, and I can ls, and I can see there's my new file. I can also see it right here. Right now there's nothing in the file, so let's type a Python command. We're going to use the command called print. And print, we're going to be calling it, so we're going to be using parentheses, and print needs something to print. And we're going to type hello world with an exclamation point. And notice that the hello world needs to be in quotes. It doesn't matter if you use single quotes or double quotes. You just need to use the same one. If you don't use any quotes, then you notice that it doesn't show up in that green text, and that's going to be a problem if we were to try to run this program by saying Python 3 and we say hello.py, then it doesn't know what to do with this. This is an invalid syntax. So print wants something it can print. So go here, and I put this in quotes, and now if I ask Python to execute this program, it will say hello world. So what you've learned so far is that a Python program is a plain text file. It just has plain text in it. There's no bold and italics. We can't use Microsoft Word to create this. We have to use a plain text editor. And we're going to put in here a series of Python commands and statements, and then we're going to ask Python to execute the program. And if that was your first program, then congratulations, you've now written Hello World.